Good morning, children. Let us go for question and answers because already this is for 8th standard. Already I have completed 2 units for you, that is Unit 3 and Unit 4. So, Unit 3 question and answers and exercises, everything we have to say now. So, better take your English textbooks in your hand. Objectives I will say orally. Or you can mark down directly in the book, and question and answers I will write on the board, better you copy down. Okay, children, be ready. Take your English textbook and mark down the objectives, question and answers. Question you have to copy from the book. Answers I will be writing on the board. So already we have said you have to take one notebook for English. English prose, poetry and supplementary all together you can write in one notebook. The composition we used to write only letter and other things, that will start later on. So far we have not started. First let me give the question and answers, then I will go for other exercises, that is composition, letter writing, everything we will see later on. Clear? Okay, children, good morning. Let us start now. Take page number 66. That is Sir Isaac Newton. 2 parts. So, first we have to see the part 1, objective question and answers. So, page number 66. First we have to see page number 66. Okay. What is there? Fill in the blanks. First one is what? A. Fill in the blanks. Take pencils in your hand and write down properly. First one is Isaac Newton was born at the very beginning while taking lesson itself. I said underline the words. So, Woolsthorpe in England. Woolsthorpe. First answer, Wolves. Thorpe. Woolsthorpe in England. This is the village name. It is the country. So, Isaac Newton was born at Woolsthorpe in England. Next one, grandmother was advised to apprentice him to a clockmaker. All the others advised his grandmother to make him as a clockmaker. C-L-O-C-K, clock maker, M-A-K-E-R. Copy down in pencils. Isaac made a clock by the dropping of water. What is making of? Water. And fourth filler, the sundial made by Isaac is still in existence. In which place? Where he was born? Where he was born? Woolsthorpe. Still the thing, if you go there, you can see. And the last filler, Isaac constructed a model of the windmill. Windmill. Children, we are writing, filling the blanks. The first one, it's in page number 66. It's Isaac Newton was born at Woolsthorpe in England. Second one is clockmaker. Third one is water. Fourth one is the existence that still it's remaining at Woolsthorpe. And last one is windmill. Clear? Now let me go for, choose the correct synonyms for the italicized word. Synonyms. This is also the same page number 66 only. Isaac was chiefly remarkable for his ingenuity. That is, answer is option B, notable. First you have to write the option, then you have to go for answer. Second one, he will make a capital workman at A, option A, wealth. Nobody could tell what the sunshine was composed of. So the answer is A. Composed. What's the synonym? Made. Write the option, then go for answer. Last one is, he cared little for the earthly fame and honors. Fame. What's the option for that? Popularity. D. Clear? So, before that, let me say what are the portions for the half-yearly. Half-yearly may be commenced from the month of December. December tomorrow. Okay, maybe 10th, we don't know the exact time, that will be informed by management only to us. So maybe whatever the time may be, you should be thorough for the exam. What are the units? Unit 3 and Unit 4. What are the portions for the half yearly? Unit 3 and Unit 4. Unit 3 full and Unit 4 full. This is for half yearly. Half yearly exam, we don't know the date. Half yearly portion, Unit 3 and Unit 4. Unit 3, one lesson, one poem, one supplementary. That is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton only we are writing the first chapter 1 we have completed. We have to go for chapter 2. That is section 2. That is in page number 69. Clear, children? Finish writing? Share up the board name. Or else objective also I'll write by this side. No, let me rub. It's no dust. Okay, write here. Page 69. Page 69. Choose the correct antonyms. We have seen synonym. It's in page number 69. A. That is chapter 2. Section 2. Antonyms we have tried. First one is his grandmother was very kind to him. What's the italicized word? Kind. Kind opposite is what? Cruel. Here what is the option? Given the cruel. What are the options? Of affectionate, loving, disrespectful, cruel. So the option D is the correct answer. Cruel. First you write the option, then you go for the answer. The boy seemed to have a taste in mathematics. Taste. What are the options given there? Delicious, sweet, distaste, against. So taste opposite, distaste. What's the option for that? C. Next one. Isaac possessed wonderful faculty of acquiring knowledge. So the bold letters, possessed. Possess means what we have. Then opposite, lack, what we don't have. So option C is the correct answer, lacks. And D. He was observed to be usually busy with his tools. Usually. Usually means what? Regularly. That is opposite, rarely. Option B is the correct answer. Other options are what? Common, unwantedly, usually. So the option is correct antonym is rarely, that is B. Clear? Now question and answers. Whatever possible we will mark in the book. But some of the answer, because it is English now, we cannot take as it is. We have to change the sentences. So who was making care of question and answers? Answer the following questions in 1 or 2. The next one we are seeing that B here. Page 69. That is, we are going for question and answers. B. Who was taking care of Newton after his father's death? So you have to mark from the question itself. After his father's death, his grandmother was taking care of Newton. So what you have to write? After his father's death. Start from the question itself. After his father's death. Who? In the place of who you must write grandmother. Was. Without verb there should be no sentence. So after his father's death, that we are taking from the question. His grandmother was, after his father's death, grandmother was taking care of Newton. Clear, children? See again the answer. Who was taking care of Newton after his death, father's death? So you have to open the brackets in the question. I say, after his father's death, his grandmother, his grandmother was taking care of him. Clear? Is it clear for you? Shall I go for other question? What did Isaac manufacture at his young age? It's in page number 64. Answer is in page number 64. Second answer, this is first one. Second one in page 64. Clear? In page 64, first you take down the thing. That is chapter 1. The page 64, second paragraph. Second paragraph. Seventh line. Page 64, second paragraph, seventh line. What is the seventh line? He had a set of little tools and saws of various sizes. Close the bracket. He had a set of little tools and saws of various sizes. From there to, okay, little tools. So, in the place of add, you have to strike out add and write manufactured. manufactured. Okay, manufactured. So, our answer will be, he manufactured a set of tools and saws of various sizes. Clear? Okay, children, so how many questions again? First one again, who was taking care of Newton after his father's death? I told you to mark the answer from the question itself. After his father's death, his grandmother was taking care of Newton. What did Isaac manufacture at his young age? It's in page number 64, I said, second paragraph, seventh line. He manufactured a set of little tools and saws of various sizes. Close the brackets. Clear? Both the questions are clear for you. Now we have to go for third one. Third answer, that is, how did the young boy find the strength of the wind? So let me rub the board and write. We have to go for the other question and answers. Maybe you would have got doubt in this. Let me say again what are the question and answers. This is a portion for our failing. Now we are seeing the answers for page number 69. First one I said, who was taking care of? So the answer is, after his father's death, his grandmother was taking care of Newton. Newton noun it is, so you have to write in the caps. N should be capital letter, full stop. And second answer, what I said, what did Isaac manufacture at his young age? It's in page number 64. Second paragraph. Second paragraph, seventh line. But no, you are marking in the book, but afterwards you have to copy in the classwork, because annual exam all the portions will be together. So you should have the question and answers properly. Second paragraph, seventh line I said. Okay. He had, starting is what? E should be capital. I told you to strike out add and write he manufactured. He manufactured a set of little tools and saws of various sizes. Second answer. Now, third one. How did the young boy find the strength of the wind? It's in page number 65. Page number 65. The same like second paragraph. Third line. Third line. He jumped against the wind, and by the length of his jump, he could calculate the force of a gentle breeze, a brisk gale, or a tempest. He jumped against the wind, and by the length of his jump, he could calculate the force of a gentle breeze, a brisk gale, or a tempest. So, from where you have to write? Third line. He jumped. From there to till what I said? Tempest. Clear? Third one. And fourth one. Why were his friends attracted by the windmill? Fourth answer. That too in page number 67. Fourth one. Why were his friends? Half of the answer you have to take from the question itself. His friends were attracted by the windmill. It is in the question itself. His friends were attracted by the windmill. It's in the question because you have to refer page number 67. First paragraph. Third line. They thought that nothing so pretty and so wonderful had ever been seen in the whole world. They thought. From the beginning, they thought to whole world. Till that. And fifth answer. How was Newton honored by the king? So, question, you have to copy down answer, I'll write on board. Because that is not in the thing. Newton was made a member of parliament. Newton was made a member of parliament and received the honor of knighthood. Knighthood means what? Soldier. From the king. From the king. So, what's the answer? Newton was made a member of parliament and received the honor of kinghood from the king. Full stop. Now, children, I gave 5 question and answers. I think you would have understood better. First question is grandmother was taking care of Newton after his father's death. Second one I said, second paragraph, 7th line. This is the beginning line, E. E had, in the place of had, we have to write manufactured and ending at sizes. Third one, in page number 65, he jumped from that to till. Third line, that is second paragraph, third line, he jumped to tempest. Fourth one, his friends were, this is half of the answer we have taken from the question. From because, you have to take from page number 67. After because, you have to write. First paragraph, third line. They thought to till what? Whole world. The last one, there is no proper answer, so we are writing on the board. Newton was made a member of parliament and received the honor of knighthood from the king. Okay, so I have to give the paragraph. I will continue in other class. Thank you, children.